What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode, but it's more crypto. And on today's episode, we're doing live technical analysis, but with a little twist. We did the one last week, right? It was last week?
Yeah.
We did a live technical analysis last week, and we went over the charts, but as we were going through the charts, Crypto Poppy noticed that some of them needed to be updated, Fibonacci needed to be moved, rearranged, trend lines and things like that. So on today's episode, we're going to go back over those last cryptos that we touched on last live stream, go over them again and readjust the charts. And you kind of going to get to see how Crypto Poppy thinks rearranging the charts, because he doesn't stick to one plan forever. He understands that things change in the market, so he's always adjusting his charts as the market is moving. Let's do Zcash, because Zcash has been going nuts ever since the last time we did a live stream, and that was just last week. So
True.
It's gonna be beautiful. Let me hand it over to Crypto Poppy. Oh my goodness gracious.
That's so crazy. All right, so let's first and foremost, let's start cleaning up the chart. Excuse me, I have a cough drop in my mouth. So we're getting rid of these white arrows to the upside. We're going to get rid of the, oh man. No, I don't think we could get rid of the Fibonacci.
Because it's like perfectly lined up, right?
Yeah, just because, we haven't, Zcash has literally just been going down for the past little over 3 years. But I guess I should say 3 years because we have been moving for a couple months now. So our Fibonacci we're going to keep. I'm going to change it to white. Keep it locked in place. Our trend line we're going to keep because just look at the way that's worked out since it was listed, right? On Coinbase. Since it was listed back in late 2020, but our first touch point is here. What was that? December 21st, 2020. Second touch point's right in here, January 17th, 2022, and we just have it extended out. I've had this trend line on my chart for so long for Zcash.
Right? It's been such a long time, man.
Years.
Oh my goodness.
Years, since 2022. And you can see, why would he have it, right? Follow my mouse with your eyes. Why would he have that trend line? Still, it's so far over, so far up there when we're just here, right? We're just grinding to the downside at our all-time low right here before a little relief. But still, Mike, you're ridiculous. Why do you have that damn trend line? But look, when we move, and let's zoom in and take a look at that trend line. Right? We didn't. Well, I guess we really didn't. Right? I would like to see this wick up here on the trend line.
Yeah.
I would like to see this red wick or this green wick here come and touch the trend line and that one not break through it. And how it did break through it, I'd like to see the bottom of the candle body, the closure down here on the trend line. But I would still say the trend line is extremely what's the word?
Relevant?
Yeah, it's still relevant. You know what I mean? Just because it's from so long ago. And we finally broke it. So let's retest it before we start continuing to the upside. But it doesn't look like that's going to happen. So, there's nothing we could do. We could do this. We could extend my red box, which has been resistance
I think you do the same thing with the gear for that.
Oh, true. Yeah. So I'm just trying to see the date. Since April 2022, which is insane. Oh, I have it locked. That's why I can't. So I just want to get the middle one and extend it out, lock it back up. So if and when Zcash cools off, cools down, which is irrelevant because look at it, it's just about to break its all-time high on the Coinbase chart, that is. I don't know its previous all-time high before being listed, but if it was 50, 60, $65 when it was originally listed on Coinbase, I can't imagine that it was valued at $400, you know what I mean, before getting listed. But anything's possible. This is just amazing. I just even want to watch this. The last week, which just closed an hour and 2 minutes ago, we literally have just been pumping up, filling that previous week's wick in right away. And look at in the past hour and 3 minutes now, Zcash is up 12% in the past hour and 3 minutes is insane. So this is definitely going to start flying. Zcash. Next movement, Jonathan, pay attention to this,
Sorry.
please. No. I'm saying because your sell limit.
Gotcha.
I would plug it in right now.
Okay.
When I start looking at the next token at $541.58.
Okay.
And that's our next Fibonacci level. Let me zoom out so I could show him. That's our next Fibonacci level. Measuring tool from current price to the next Fibonacci level is another 48% to the upside. So I would definitely, that portion that you have left in there, I'd probably sell like 25% of it, if not
least
more.
Got it. Okay.
But
Gotcha.
I know you're conservative with that. But sorry guys, sorry JJ, there's not much we could do to clean up the chart other than we remove those arrow markers. We extended out our red box of support/resistance, and we changed the color of our Fibonacci. Other than that, I mean, look at where we're at, where Zcash is just going crazy. It's going parabolic. This is a beautiful sight in the crypto market that's been, suppressed.
We haven't seen it in a while.
Yeah, and held down for so long, man. Look at that. It's been below the trend line since June 6, 2022. So 3.5 years. That
was at 540, right?
Give me a second. 541.58.
Okay.
So go ahead. JJ, put the camera on you because I'm done here. So let them see.
Sorry, guys. I'm
working.
inputting my. Let me see. It's crazy, guys. So let me just. Oh man, I don't even want. I can't show you guys this.
No, just let me see.
But I'm inputting my limit sell right now. Just so I'm ready, and that's what we've been doing with this coin. So we've been when it reaches 540 point, or was it 60?
541.58.
50. So I'm inputting my sell limit here. Let's see.
But yeah, just do 25%.
Yep, just 25%.
If it gets there, it's probably going to go slightly higher. And I could look real quick.
Let's see.
Yeah, I don't know though if it'll go to 742.31 before facing a crazy rejection. And then something you could do too, dude, to get another play on Zcash.
What's up? If it crashes?
If it comes back down to the purple trend line at about $205.86, that would be a good spot to get another buy-in right in here, right?
Okay.
If it comes down to retest the trend line right in here, you could even say the one movement. You could do 3 orders, right? You could do 25% right here at 217. You could do, I guess that's too close to the trend line. No, I guess not. You could do like another 25% at 203.46, and then your remaining 50% you could put right here at 173.37.
If it has a good crash.
After dinner, you know what I mean? We could see how things are looking. But yeah, dude, Zcash, it's going to start ripping here in a minute to the upside.
It's ripping right now. I love it.
Oh, yeah.
So you guys are watching it in live. We're actually making some moves right now.
Always.
But I mean, just you guys are seeing it live.
Put it on you. Yeah, there you go.
I'm right here. All right. So I think we'll just do one more.